Hi, I've just been to see the Scan Pro Video Elves who've loaded up my sleigh, as you can see here, with some perfect present ideas for all budgets this Christmas. We've got a wide selection of drones, from toy ones right through to DJI's top-of-the-range professional ones, including the latest lightweight Mavic Mini drone, which I've got here. It's causing quite a stir as it weighs just 249 grams and is small enough to carry anywhere. It shoots 2.7K video, so it's perfect for those new to the drone world right through to seasoned pros to add to their film kit. Plus, we've got more accessories than you can shake your stockings at. When it comes to cameras, we've got them all for beginners, enthusiasts and pros alike. This Fujifilm X-A7 4K camera is perfect for vloggers, YouTubers and streamers, with its advanced eye tracking, so you need never worry again about your video going out of focus. And it's even got a dedicated beauty mode for removing blemishes. For stabilisation, we have tripods for all levels of production, as well as handheld gimbals for cinema cameras, DSLRs and even mobile phones, including one of our best sellers that our elves have picked out. It's this fabulous Zhiyun Smooth 4, which helps you up your production values on your smartphone with stable, smooth footage. Another really useful idea for videographers and photographers is storage. Now, granted, it won't win any awards for excitement, but you will get a big Christmas hug, as it's a really thoughtful gift idea. We have everything you could possibly think of, including the awesome Samsung Evo Plus micro SD range, or the Samsung T5 SSDs like this 500GB one here. And who doesn't love an action camera? We've got them all from the top brands, including the latest GoPro, the Hero 8, and the awesome DJI Osmo action camera, plus a selection of great accessories, including this budget-friendly 60-in-1 accessory set and a range of cases and mounts. Or if you want to take it even further and go all 360, you'll find a fantastic selection. We've picked out mine and Santa's favourite. It's this one here, the Insta360 One X, which we always have a bit of fun with. Let me show you what it does. The Insta360 One X shoots up to 5.7K video, 18 megapixel photos, and it's got inbuilt stabilisation thanks to flow state technology, which is perfect, of course, for a bumpy reindeer ride. It's also got really stunning cinematic slow motion, and it really is a great 360 camera for all abilities. Woo! Pretty cool, hey? And finally, if you want to splash out on yourself or someone special who's made the top of Santa's good list, we've got plenty, which will make the Grinch even greener with envy, including the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Cam in 4K or 6K. We truly have something for everyone and every budget, so check out Scan Pro Video for even more gift inspiration. Right then, I'm off. These awesome Pro Video gifts won't deliver themselves, you know.